So I'm out here by Sawmill Springs near Parks, Arizona. And thought this was cool enough to share, but a little tank here I think is cool. And this is a spring, Sawmill Spring, and there is water down here in this access pipe. It is, so there's water here. Now, presumably we've gone to that tank over there, but that tank's empty. We got, not sure what this was. I think this might be just been a marker of some sorts. But what I think is cool is this structure over here. And of course it looks like an unassuming stone structure. This is actually a small cistern. You can see here, got a pipe. And that might be a well. So let me open this. A bit heavy. It's concrete. But look, fresh water. Clean. Okay, maybe not clean water, but this would keep you alive if you got stuck out here for some reason. Put this back there. Like a 30-pound, 40-pound lid. It's a bit heavy. So, not sure where this pipe goes. It might go down to that trough over there. And here is probably the well. Yeah, look at that. Got another lid right here. Okay, let me pull this thing up. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's dry. Yeah. So, the water is clearly coming from much farther below. But, you know, still thought this was cool. Oh, God. It's a heavy lid. I mean, a cool little spring, I'd say.